A very good morning to all. So, after learning this stroke and the letter C and the letters which are made with this letter, I will recall again all these letters with the child and then I will move to the other letters. So, the child will write all these letters once again. So after writing this, all these letters once again, now we will move to another strokes, letters a child will learn with these strokes. So I'll start with letter I. See how you will write letter I? You will put your pencil on the third line. Okay? From here you will make a stroke, go straight, slanting, then come down straight and end with the tail. After writing this, you will pick your pencil and you will put a dot. This is letter I. So you will write it here. Let's put a dot now. No, you have to make letter I. After making her write this letter 3 times, now we will move to another letter, that is letter T. Using the same stroke, now I will teach letter T. See? Now put your pencil, here look here. You have to put your pencil on the third line, first, second, third. Now your stroke will start from here and you will go slanting, little bit slanting, not too much, touch the red line, don't pick your pencil, come down and make a tail. एक आपको जैसे दादाजी की छड़ी होती है ना वैसे स्टिक जैसे, एंड देन कट यहाँ पे स्लीपिंग लाइन बनानी. दिस इज लेटर टी. ओके, नाउ यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. Okay, write 3 times there. Turn, turn, turn. Yes, now sleeping line. Very good. This tail ko take a little bit out. You have to take this tail later on. Okay, in the beginning only. And sleeping line you will make later on after writing the letter, complete letter. Yes, and your sleeping line should be straight. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So now the child has learned letter I and letter T with this stroke. After this, we can teach one more letter, that is letter S. Same stroke, using the same stroke, I will teach letter S. So first you will start from the first, second, third. Now in the middle 2 lines, you will write this letter. Okay. So put your pencil here, make a stroke and stop here at the blue line. Then you have to turn and you have to touch this line, and like a boat shape you will make and end here. Once more you see here. See, put your pencil here on the third line, stroke, stop here, then turn back, touch it and go back. In letter S we don't make a loop here. In capital S we make a loop here also, but in small s we don't make a loop. Capital S we make a loop, but in S, small s we don't make a loop. Okay, so remember this.
मैम जब हम एस बनाएंगे तो इस वाली लाइन को टच करना है क्या इधर?
Yes, the way we, from where we have started, that line we will touch. We will only write letter S, small letter S. Yes, turn back, touch this line. Yes, don't come out of this line. Go back. Tail, you have to take out the tail. Yes, okay. We make this tail so that we can join another letter. When you will start writing the words, then time this tail is very helpful to us. So we write the tail at the end. No, you have not make this. You have to make it slanting. Wrong, beta. Wrong, it has gone wrong. Erase it. The stroke should be slanting. Make a slanting stroke. Yes. No, again it is wrong. See, what you are doing? You are making a curve. You are making a curve. You don't have to make a curve. You have to be a slanting line. Don't make it a curve. See, from here you will start. Make a stroke, slanting stroke. Don't make curve. Then you will touch, stop here, turn back, touch this line, don't go out of this line. Now, here it is. End with the tail. Slanting, go slanting. Yes. Stop, touch this. Yes. Yes. Now good. Follow the lines properly. Yes. Slanting, go slanting. Yes. Yes. No, curve. You have made a curve. You don't have to make a curve, then it will not look letter S. It should be slanting, not a curve. Slanting, go slanting. Yes.
मैम ये तो बड़ा बनाना
No, small only, smaller. See, the problem you are doing is you are making a curve. You have to make you are writing right, but you are making a curve. You are doing like this. Cup shape. You don't have to do like this. You have to go slanting. You know, slanting line, you go like this. And when you will make like this, then it will be a cup shape curve. So you have to be little bit slanting. Yes. Yes. So this is letter S. Now the last letter I want to teach with the same stroke is letter P. Okay. See. The same stroke. Now you have to write in 4 lines. You will use your 4 lines, all the 4 lines. See how you will write? You will put your pencil on the 3rd line. From here you will go slanting, you will touch the red line. Stop there. Then come down straight. Okay, till red line, bottom red line. Then go up, don't pick your pencil. As you make in H, that type of shape you have to make. One more time you see. See, start from the 3rd line. Go up straight, touch the red line, come down straight. And go up, don't pick your pencil, and end with the tail. Now remember this, you will not make a loop here. So many children make a loop here like this letter P. There is no loop in this letter. We don't write loop, we write this loop in letter H. In P we write straight. Okay, so let me put the dot for you. Okay, now start writing. Yes, and it should be not so much gap, okay? Don't put so much curve, go in little in curve. Yes, come down straight. Up. Now you have not touched this blue line properly. It should be a proper round curve. See, it should be proper round like this, and then you will make a tail. Okay, let it be like this. Later on you will erase and write. Come down straight. Yes. Yes. Okay, now what? Achha, you have made a loop. Yes, you have to remember that you don't have to make a loop here. This should be little round, more round. Otherwise, it's not looking nice. Wrong. Wait. See, this should be not like this. It is not touching cursive. It should touch and come. This letter is little bit difficult, so we'll learn it. No problem. See, you have to look here. Go here like this. Touch this. इसको थोड़ा बहुत टच करते हुए आना है. आप गैप दे दोगे ना, इतना ऐसे दे दोगे तो it is not looking nice. See, so much gap is not required. You go like this. You touch it little bit. Don't come slanting also. Though what you will do, if I have told you to touch like this, then you will come like this. Don't come like this also. Go like this, down, up, and it should be round. It should touch all this blue line, okay? P letter is a bit difficult for a child to write. Come down. Again you have done a mistake. See what mistake? You have not touched this. I told you to, you have to touch this line. Okay. So one more time. Write it again here. No problem. We will do a practice, then you will learn. We will practice more of this letter. You have made this small now this time. Proper formation, it will take time. No problem. Don't make a loop. In P there is no loop. Touch and come down. Yes, now it's okay. Yes, go long. Yes, now you have learned. Okay. So more of practice you will do, you will learn this. So now once again we will write all these letters. Today you have learned letter I, letter T, letter S and letter P. Now we will write all these letters. I you have learned. You have learned letter T. You have learned letter S. And you have learned letter P. Okay, now you write here. 2 times you write. Then you at home, you practice 2 to 3 times. I will give you homework. Then you will able to write more properly. Slowly. Don't rush up. Very slowly. Don't go slanting. You have gone so much of slanting in letter T. So with this curve and stroke, the child has learned 10 letters using this curve and strokes. So I will give now worksheet to the child to practice more of these letters again and again so that he is able to form it properly. So thank you very much. Bye bye.